This paper flute should not take more than 3 minutes to make. You just need a piece of paper 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters, some glue and a scissors. Take this paper and just mark the middle point and then draw a strip with a flap and then cut off the strip, leaving the flap behind. So finally you will have a piece of paper, rectangular paper, with a little flap jutting out in the center. Take a pencil and roll the paper on this cylindrical pencil to make a thin paper tube. Then you remove the pencil, apply glue on the end, let it dry for a little while, and then stick the end back to the tube. So now you have a thin paper tube with a flap on one end. Now crease the flap. Now you can see the flap from all the directions. Now keep the other end in your mouth and suck, and you will find that the flap vibrates and produces sound. Have great fun with it.